Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic I know a lot of you are interested in: making money online. And more specifically, we're talking about 7 websites that will pay you every single day within 24 hours. Now, I'm not gonna lie, these aren't get-rich-quick schemes. If you're looking to quit your job tomorrow and buy a Tesla with your earnings next week, this video isn't for you. But if you're looking for legitimate ways to earn some extra cash in your spare time, or you're just starting out and need to build up some income streams, then listen up, because these websites are a great place to start. We're talking about easy work-at-home jobs that almost anyone can do. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking for some side hustle opportunities, these platforms have something for you. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. First up, we have Swagbucks. Now, you guys have probably heard of Swagbucks before. It's one of the most popular reward sites out there, and for good reason. Swagbucks basically pays you for doing things you're probably already doing online anyway. Think about it, you're already spending hours every week browsing the internet, watching videos, maybe even taking the occasional survey. Why not get paid for it? With Swagbucks, you earn points called Swagbucks for completing these simple tasks. You can earn Swagbucks for watching videos, taking surveys, shopping online, even just for searching the web. And the best part is, you can redeem your Swagbucks for cash through PayPal, or for gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon, Target, and Walmart. Now let's talk about how much you can actually make. I'm not gonna lie, you're not gonna be rolling in dough with Swagbucks. It's not a replacement for a full-time job, but it's a really easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Most surveys and tasks pay anywhere from a few cents to $1 or $2, but they also have daily goals and bonuses that can boost your earnings. Plus, if you're a frequent online shopper, you can really rack up the points by shopping through their portal. Overall, Swagbucks is a great option for anyone looking for a simple and easy way to earn some extra cash online. Next, we have Fiverr, a platform that's all about connecting freelancers with people who need their skills. Now, unlike Swagbucks, where you're earning small rewards for completing tasks, Fiverr is all about offering your skills as services. The beauty of Fiverr is that you can literally find gigs for almost anything. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, a virtual assistant, a voiceover artist, or even if you just have a knack for creating funny memes, there's a market for it on Fiverr. The platform works on a gig basis, meaning you create a listing for a specific service you offer, set your price, and then buyers can purchase your gig directly. And yes, you guessed it, the starting price for gigs is just $5. Now before you say $5, that's it, hear me out. While it's true that many gigs start at $5, that doesn't mean you're limited to making just $5 per gig. Once you start getting positive reviews and building up your reputation, you can start offering gig extras, upselling to higher price packages, and even setting your own custom pricing. I've seen people on Fiverr making thousands of dollars per month, all because they found their niche and provided high-quality services. The key with Fiverr is to find something you're good at, something you enjoy doing, and then create a compelling gig listing that showcases your skills. Don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. Now, if you're looking for a more professional freelancing platform with potentially higher-paying gigs, then Upwork is definitely worth checking out. Upwork is similar to Fiverr in that it connects freelancers with clients, but it's generally geared towards more experienced freelancers and larger projects. On Upwork, you'll find a wider range of job categories, from web development and software engineering to writing, marketing, customer service, and everything in between. One of the things I like about Upwork is that it allows you to create a detailed profile highlighting your skills, experience, and portfolio. This makes it easier for clients to find you and see if you're a good fit for their projects. When it comes to getting paid, Upwork offers a couple of different options. You can either work on a fixed price basis, where you agree on a set price for the entire project up front, or you can work hourly. Upwork also has a built-in time tracker that you can use for hourly projects, which helps to ensure that you're accurately paid for your time. Now, one thing to keep in mind with Upwork is that they do take a percentage of your earnings as a service fee. However, this fee decreases as you work with a client more and build up your earnings with them. Overall, if you're serious about freelancing and you have valuable skills to offer, Upwork is definitely a platform you should consider. Chapter 4. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Complete micro-tasks for quick cash. Now, let's switch gears a bit and talk about Amazon Mechanical Turk, or M-Turk for short. M-Turk is a platform that's all about micro-tasks. These are small, often simple tasks that can be completed quickly, usually in a few minutes or even seconds. We're talking about things like identifying objects and images, transcribing short audio clips, categorizing data, and other tasks that are often tedious for humans, but relatively easy for computers to understand. While each individual task on M-Turk might only pay a few cents, the idea is that you can complete a large volume of them in a short amount of time, adding up to a decent hourly rate. Of course, the amount you can earn on M-Turk depends on the types of tasks you choose and how quickly you can complete them. Some tasks are more lucrative than others, and it might take some time to find the ones that work best for you. One of the benefits of M-Turk is that you can work whenever you have a few spare minutes. Whether you're waiting in line at the grocery store, commuting to work, or just relaxing on the couch, you can pull out your phone or laptop and complete a few tasks on M-Turk. While it's not a platform that will make you rich, it's a legitimate way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Chapter 5. User testing. Get paid to test websites and apps. Have you ever used a website or app and thought, man, this design is terrible, or this navigation makes no sense? Well, guess what? Companies will actually pay you for that feedback. That's where user testing comes in. User testing is a platform that connects companies with real people to test out their websites, apps, and other digital products. As a tester on user testing, your job is to provide honest feedback on your experience. You'll be asked to complete specific tasks, like finding information on a website, making a purchase, or using a particular feature of an app, all while speaking your thoughts out loud. The great thing about user testing is that it's incredibly easy to get started. All you need is a computer or smartphone with a microphone and an internet connection. Once you sign up, you'll be able to browse through available tests and choose the ones that interest you. Most tests take around 15 to 20 minutes to complete, and you'll typically earn around $10 per test. Not bad for sharing your thoughts, right? Payments are usually made via PayPal within a week of completing a test. Chapter 6. Clickworker. Dive into microtasks and get paid. Now, if you're a fan of microtasks and you're looking for a platform with a wider variety of tasks than M-Turk, then you should definitely check out Clickworker. Clickworker is similar to M-Turk in that it offers a wide range of microtasks, but it also includes more involved tasks like writing, editing, and data categorization. The types of tasks available on Clickworker can vary depending on your location and language skills, but generally you'll find tasks related to data entry, web research, writing short articles, translating text, and more. One of the things I like about Clickworker is that they have a clear rating system that rewards workers for producing high-quality work. As you complete tasks and receive positive ratings, you'll unlock access to higher-paying tasks and potentially even direct work from clients. Payments on Clickworker are made via PayPal once you reach a minimum payout threshold, which varies depending on your location. Overall, Clickworker is a solid option for anyone looking for a flexible way to earn money online by completing micro tasks. Chapter 7. Rev. Turn audio into text and get paid weekly. Finally, let's talk about Rev, a platform that's perfect for those of you who have a knack for listening and typing. Rev is a transcription service that hires freelancers to transcribe audio and video files. If you're a fast and accurate typist, this could be a great way to earn some extra cash online. Rev offers a variety of transcription jobs, including transcribing interviews, podcasts, meetings, and more. You can choose the jobs that interest you and work on them at your own pace. One of the benefits of working with Rev is that they provide you with all the tools and resources you need to succeed, including transcription software and style guides. They also have a supportive community of transcribers who are always willing to help out if you have any questions. Payments on Rev are made weekly via PayPal, so you don't have to wait long to get paid for your work. If you're looking for a flexible work-from-home job that allows you to set your own hours and work independently, then Rev is definitely worth checking out. And there you have it. 7 websites that will pay you every day within 24 hours. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash in your spare time or you're just starting out and need to build up some income streams, these platforms offer a variety of ways to make money online. Remember, these aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They require effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn. But if you're willing to put in the work, there's no reason why you can't start earning money from these websites today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And don't forget to let me know in the comments down below which of these websites you're most excited to try out. Thanks for watching.